Hi everyone, this is Beatrice from Art Obsession Studio. The last video that I made was attempting to do the dragon scale effect in resin. And the last time I tried to create a dragon scale in resin, and honestly, I didn't quite turn out the way I had hoped. So this is the one I did on my last video. So today I'm giving it another go. So this is attempt number 2. Will this one finally work? Let's find out. So for this pour, I'm using the Crystal Edge Mould, again, by Pouring Your Heart Out by Julie. But I'm changing a couple of things from my first attempt. So I'm using the same colors. The last one, I actually forgot to prepare enough bush resin, which I've actually got here. So let's see if that makes a difference. So here we go again. I'm going to pour this in first. Still didn't take enough. Still a little bit. So smooth that around. That ink. Okay. And now we'll put in the black in spirals. And dump the rest in the middle. Now we'll go for the mica red, which is absolutely gorgeous. This goes in spirals too. Going a little bit wonky, but see how we go. Still one. Now we go for the white. Oh, we'll see how it could end up in a crackle more than a dragon. And pour the rest in the middle. And then I take my bush and put it all the way in the middle. Gosh, definitely not in the middle. And then do, what should I do? Maybe a little bit of gold. Just a little. Yeah, I'm not very fond of the gold, but I mean to have things in the middle. So we'll just wait and see how this goes. Get the bubbles. See how it closes, and we'll come back for the unmolding, see how we went. See you later. Hey everyone. All right. Moment of truth. Unmolding time. This is number 2. Experiment number 2. Oh wow. Look at that. You can really see the crackles and everything. I'm not sure about the white here. That looks good. Absolutely gorgeous. Does this look more like the dragon scales than last time? I think it's definitely closer, but I'll let you decide. It's really pretty. Oh, one little. The sides are gorgeous. So this is attempt number 2. Is this a success or still needs a bit of work? Tell me in the comments what you think. Should I try again with completely different colors, maybe greens and golds, for a more dragon-like effect? And if you're enjoying these resin experiments, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe so you don't miss part 3. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay tuned for the pictures.